Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome to another video. This isn't really a video about anything, but just want to give you guys a quick update what's going on at the channel. I got some reviews coming. Gonna be reviewing these headphones right here. These are Soundpeats truly wireless headphones. I've been rocking these past week and a half or something, just listening to music while exercising and stuff like that. These are pretty solid, so that review is coming soon. Then I got this dope keyboard that this company called Red Dragon sent me, RGB backlit mechanical keyboard. Gonna be reviewing this soon. So guys, also I want to thank you guys for for all the support you guys have been giving me lately. Shout outs to all the people who watch my videos who are the first to comment and stuff like that. I'm gonna be doing shout outs soon. So for all those I've asked, for all those who've done stuff for shoutouts, I will be giving shoutouts soon. Especially, I want to shout out. I'm gonna be doing a special shout out to the guy who sent me my new intro, so that's coming soon as well. He did a great job with that, and I'm gonna give a special thanks to him. Probably put his name up on screen right here, his YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Stay tuned for some future awesome content, reviews, and tutorials. Let me guys know any video suggestions you want me to make. Leave those in the comments down below. If you guys want to follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/LifeMadeEasy10. I stream some Apex Legends over there if you guys want to check that out. If you guys want to watch some gaming content, you can go check that out too. Also, guys, it helps a lot if you guys use my Amazon affiliate links down below. You don't have to, but if you're buying something on Amazon, just use my link down below. It does support the channel. And if you're a huge Amazon spender, fanatic, I don't care. You don't have to, but it does support the channel. So with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.